Plant Therapy's Brain Aid Synergy was created to help you stay focused and on task with a combination of refreshing, revitalizing, and invigorating essential oils. Use Brain Aid to refresh and awaken your senses when mental fatigue is slowing you down. This feel-good essential oil blend is invigorating and uplifting to help you stay alert and focused throughout the day. My top 3 ways to use Brain Aid are: 1. Diffused in the afternoon when I get that late day brain fog. 2. In an aromatherapy inhaler or necklace when I'm on the go. Or 3. In a roller bottle when I'm working on something that requires a great deal of mental focus. For a Brain Aid body mist, try this simple DIY recipe. You will need a 4-ounce spray bottle, a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of witch hazel, 36 drops of Brain Aid, and 50 drops of polysorbate or solubol. Then we're just gonna mix all the ingredients together and put it in our spray bottle. That's it, pretty easy, and it's ready to use. Make sure to shake it well before each spray. Stay on task and keep your attention focused with Plant Therapy's Brain Aid Synergy.